Hello, friends. Welcome to Arabic Heroes. This is the place where Arabic letters come alive. Oh, something magical is happening. Who is coming through the portal? مرحبا يا أصدقائي. أنا حرف الألف. Can you say Alif? Wonderful. Alif. Today we're meeting our very first Arabic heroes. This is Alif. Alif is the first Arabic letter. Alif is friendly. Alif loves learning. Now, listen carefully. Alif says, your turn. Say, good job. Let's do it again. Alif says, now you say it. Excellent. One more time. Say it together with Alif. Amazing. You're learning Arabic. Let's learn words that start with Alif. Our first word is Asad. Asad means lion. Alif says, now you say Asad. Great. Our second word is Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Alif says, now you say Arnab. Wonderful. Our third word is Ab. Ab means father. Alif says, now you say Ab. Excellent. Now it's game time. Can you find Alif? Look carefully. Where is Alif? There it is. You found Alif. Fantastic. Let's review what we learned. This is Alif. Alif says, your turn. Today we learned Asad, Arnab, Ab. Let's say them together. Asad, Arnab, Ab. Now you say them. Amazing work. You learned your very first Arabic letter. Ahsantum. Give yourself a big clap. But wait, another Arabic hero is coming soon. Who do you think it will be? Ma'a salama. See you next time, friends. Next time, we'll meet a brand new Arabic hero. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Arabic Heroes. Do you remember our first hero? Great, that was Alif. But today, something bubbly is happening. Who is coming through the portal? Look carefully. مرحبا يا أصدقائي. أنا حرف الباء. Can you say ba? Wonderful. Ba. Today we meet our new Arabic hero. This is Ba. Ba has one dot under it. Can you see the dot? Yes, one dot under Ba. Ba is brave. Ba loves helping friends. Now listen carefully. Ba says, Ba, your turn. Ba, say it. Ba, good job. Let's say it quietly. Ba, now you whisper it. Ba, excellent. Now say it like a superhero. Ba, your turn, hero. Ba, amazing. You sound like Arabic heroes. Now let's go on a bubble word adventure. Ba sees something floating. It is a balloon. Balloon starts with ba. Can you say it? Balloon. Great. Balloon. The balloon floats to a door. Look! A door. Bab. Door starts with ba. Can you say it? Bab. Excellent. Bab. Who is behind the door? It is a duck. Batta. Duck starts with ba. Now you say it. Batta. Wonderful. Batta. The balloon, the door, and the duck all start with ba. Let's say them together. Balloon, bab, batta. Now you say them. balloon, bab, batta. Amazing speaking. Now it's game time. Can you find ba? Look carefully. Where is ba? There it is. You found ba. Let's play bubble pop. Pop the bubbles with ba. When you see ba, say ba. Ready? Ba. Great. Again. Ba. Fantastic. You know ba. Let's review what we learned. This is ba. Ba has one dot under it. Ba. Your turn. Ba. We learned 3 words. Balloon, door, duck. Now say them with ba. Balloon, bab, batta. Amazing work. أحسنتم. You earned your Ba Hero star. But wait, another hero is coming soon. Who could it be? مع السلامة. See you next time, friends. Next time, we meet a brand new Arabic hero. Last time, Ba helped us build a bridge of brave sounds. مرحبا يا أصدقائي. But today, something is twinkling above the portal. One light and another light. هل رأيتم ذلك? Can you count the lights? Yes, 2. But why are they lost? Listen! The portal is trying to speak. Da, da. That sound needs our help. The 2 lights race around the room. A curved shape appears beneath them. 2 dots above and a shape below. Who could it be? Can you point above your head? Ta. Say the mystery sound with ba, ta. Something or someone is coming through. Look, the 2 lights belong to a new Arabic hero. مرحبا يا أصدقائي. Come, new hero. أنا حرف التاء. This is ta, the Arabic letter ta. But ta looks worried. My twin star dots won't stay together. Without both dots, the letter crown cannot shine. We'll help you, Ta. Will you help me find my 2 dots?
Oh, yes!
You will?
Yes!
Hero team, ready! The first clue waits in the Twin Star Garden. Before we search, let's look carefully at Ta. Her letter body curves like this. And what is above her? 2 dots above. Show 2 fingers above your head. 2 above, that's me, Ta. Excellent. My name is Ta. The crown map glows when we remember Ta. The first star is hiding where my sound begins. To open the gate, we need Ta's special sound. Listen, Ta. Your turn, say Ta. Let's say it slowly. Ta. Now like a superhero. Ta. Both lights are shining. Ba belongs to Ba. Good thinking. Ta's sound is Ta. Together. Ta. The sound gate opens. A golden path leads to the first picture clue. What could make this shadow? It begins with my sound, Ta. Dodge. A crown. Dodge. Say it's dodge. The crown reveals an apple-shaped trail. In the sparkle orchard, one apple glows with Ta's sound. Which fruit is the apple? Yes, the apple. In Arabic, tafaha. Tafaha. Can you say apple? Tafaha. A twin star spark was hiding behind the apple. 1 star found. 1 more to go. The second star slipped into the Giggle River. Who is guarding the river? A long tail, a wide smile. A crocodile. تمساح. تمساح. Say تمساح to ask our new friend for help. He heard you. The second star is on his tail. We found both twin stars. Before the stars return, they need a recognition check. Find ta, ba, ta, or tha. This is ba, 1 dot below. This one has 3 dots above. We'll meet that hero next time. Here is ta, 2 dots above. You found me! Round 2. Ta is hiding near the crown, apple, or crocodile. Not behind the crown, but we remember that. There, Ta is behind the apple. Amazing searching, hero team. Final challenge. Place each star using sound and words. For star 1, say my sound. Ta. Star 1 locks in. For star 2, which word begins with ta? Taj, qamar, أو باب. Qamar means moon. Moon begins with kaf, not ta. أو باب begins with ba. Taj begins with ta. Star 2 locks in and the letter crown awakens. You hit ta, find both twin stars. Ta is the letter with 2 dots above. Her sound is ta. Today we learn the words taj, tufaha, timsah. This hero star belongs to you too. Great work, hero team. Wait, the portal is sparkling again. Ta has 2 dots above, but now we see 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
3 dots above? Who could that be? Tha. مع السلامة. Next time we meet the hero with 3 dots above. Tha!